Have you ever noticed in IE7 you have this nice little search window in the upper right hand corner? It's kind of a built-in Google that is right there always in your browser. And the good thing is it doesn't have to be Google. You can make it whatever search engine plugin you want. And it's called a plugin because we're just kind of sticking it into the browser that already exists. We're not going to the whole page. We're just using a little bit of real estate to do a search using an existing engine. So if we use the drop-down arrow, it'll show us what search engine plugins are already installed. And if you just have live search default, that's fine. That's generally what comes with the IE7 browser. What we're going to do, we're going to add our own custom search engine into this page. So we're going to come down here and we're going to say find more providers. When we let that go, then we're given a new page, and we notice on the left side are a list of canned search engines that we can just use and plug into our browser. So you might want to play with those at your convenience. But what we really want to do here is create a custom plugin for one of our own search engines. And my personal favorite is iBistro. So what we need here are two pieces of information. First is the URL for the search in iBistro, and secondly is a name. In order to get this URL, it's very complicated. It's a long string, and we're not going to know it by heart, but it's very easy to obtain. So we're going to come up here, and we're going to click to get a new tab. And on that tab, we're going to go to the library homepage. And we're going to take advantage of the quick search that exists on the virtual library, because this sets up the search string exactly how we want it. So in the quick search, we're going to enter the word test, T-E-S-T, and it must be in all uppercase. And we'll click search. This will take us into iBistro, and we really do not care what the results are for the word test in iBistro. What we care about here is the URL. So we come up to the top of the window, click in that address bar one time to select the entire string, and then do a Control-C to copy that whole bunch of gobbledygook. So now we have it copied. We're going to come back into the first tab where we're setting up our custom search plugin. We're going to click in that URL text area and do a Control-V to paste in that whole long search term that is used by iBistro. And we don't have to know what that means, because the good thing is the browser knows what it means and iBistro knows what it means. So the only other thing we need to provide is the name. So I suggest something obvious like iBistro. And when you click install, you get a little window, and I'm going to check this box so it makes this new plugin my default search provider. And I click add provider. And instantaneously it creates a new search plugin in my text in my search box up here. I can confirm that it does exist by using the drop down arrow, and there it lists iBistro and it's made it my default. Now, no matter what page I'm on, no matter what site I'm on, I can just easily search the Virginia Beach Public Library catalog by entering my search terms in this upper window. And I can either hit the enter key or use this little magnifying glass to actually kick off the search. And right away it takes me directly into iBistro, and it shows me the results for the search terms I've entered. And notice it does a general keyword search, words or phrase. So that's how it works. It's very easy. Have fun with it.